Hi everyone, welcome back to another recipe on a lockdown day. Hope you are all safe and sound at home. As it's lockdown, my 12-year-old niece Iram was feeling bored, so today she is helping me over the voiceover for this recipe. Hope you all would like it. Today's recipe is how to make a tandoori chicken at home without an oven, and believe me, it's going to taste as tasty and flavorful as you would get in restaurant.
First step is to take clean and patted dry chicken. Let's start. I have taken 600 gram of chicken leg pieces. Make some deep cuts into the chicken. This will help the spices to go deep into the chicken. Now add the juice of 1 lemon. Then add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and rub it nicely. Then add in 1 teaspoon of dry red chilli flakes. Then goes in 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder. And then 1 teaspoon of salt. Now rub this to the chicken nicely, up and down, and cook well. Now set it aside for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll move on to next step. Now we shall prepare the marinade for tandoori masala. In a large bowl, add 1/4 cup of hung curd. Just drain the excess water from the curd. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Then 2 teaspoons of garam masala. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then goes in 1 teaspoon of cumin or zira powder. Then add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. One teaspoon of normal red chilli powder. 1 teaspoon of dry kasuri methi. Then 2 teaspoons of salt. And finally 2 teaspoons of besan or gram flour. Mix everything together. The mixture should be smooth and lump free. It should be sticky in consistency like this, so that it coats the chicken well. Now to this mixture I am adding the marinated chicken leg pieces. Now rub this to the chicken nicely, up and down, and coat well. And also rub inside this lid. Cover the chicken with a cling film. Now refrigerate it for at least 5 to 6 hours or overnight. Take the chicken out from the refrigerator 45 minutes before you start to fry. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Once it's hot, add the chicken pieces one by one. Cook on high flame for 1 minute. Now flip the chicken pieces and cook for 1 minute. Then cover and cook for another 3 minutes at low flame. Cook till both the sides are nicely brown. After few minutes, you can notice it has started to char nicely. Take a piece of charcoal and light it on top of the gas. Let it nicely char and become red in color. When it turns hot, drop it in a steel bowl and immediately pour 2 teaspoons of butter or oil. When you see the smoke coming out, cover the lid. And allow to smoke for 2 to 3 minutes. Now, this is going to give the chicken the taste and flavor of tandoori. Switch off the flame and let the chicken pieces get the flavor of smoke. Now our tandoori chicken is ready to plate in. Serve hot with onion and lemon wedges and enjoy!
Hope you all enjoyed watching it, and if you liked it, do give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's be safe at home and let's be positive. Until I come back with yet another recipe, take care. Bye bye.